Hi and welcome along. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to repair your car tyre in less than 10 minutes. Anybody can do this and you can do it at home, and there will be a link in the description to this kit that I'm using. There's nothing worse than getting a puncture in one of your tyres, then taking the car to a tyre place and then them trying to tell you that the tyre is unrepairable and they try and talk you into buying a new one. I'm going to show you how to avoid that and how easy it is for anybody with basic DIY skills to repair the tyre at home. So here's the offending wheel. This is the one that the car's saying that the tyre's soft, and I don't know if you can just see right there. There's a screw stuck in the tyre. So we'll get that tyre whipped off, we'll get it in the garage and we'll repair it. And now we've got the the wheel off the car, we're going to now do the repair. Now to repair the puncture, I'm going to put one of these plugs in it, and as you can see I've sprayed some soapy water onto the nail hole and you can see it bubbling, so let's get that sorted now by using one of these little strips. So the first thing we've got to do is get the nail out of the tyre. So we'll get that out. Now, as we can see, this isn't a standard bloody way it's went in. It's went in at an angle, so it's proven quite difficult to get out. But we've got it now. Right, now we've got the hole, we've got the screw out. We're going to open it up so that it's clean. So you want to get most of it in, so you leave a little bit out. Once you've got it in, just pull it out, and then that should be a perfect seal. What I'll do is I'll just trim off the excess. What we don't need. Now that should be sealed, and I'll just do the soapy water test. That's good enough for me. Most of the time you can actually do that on the car without taking the wheel off, but due to it being raining and what have you, I decided to take it off, and I'm glad I did, because that was an absolute nightmare to get that nail out. So that's how you repair a puncture, and you save yourself, what, 20 quid.